Hello everyone, Daniel here with the E-Bike Journey YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I go about taking off this tire from this rim. I was actually out at Traders Village again, and the gentleman who sold me the 350 watt back motor for $5 was actually there, and he saw me and let me know that this wheel was available, that he did find it. So I went ahead and I purchased this wheel right here for $2. I thought it'd be a great time to go ahead and take the wheel off and show you how I'm going to go about removing this wheel. I'm going to go ahead and put it onto the back rim as well, just to make sure that the rims are capable of holding air in the tires before I proceed with the build. Should you have any questions about anything that you see throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment below, and I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's go ahead and switch on over to a time-lapse mode, and I'm going to get to cleaning this off before we remove the tire. To remove the tire, I'm going to approach it with a zip tie method, where I run a zip tie in through here and out and tighten it all the way around so that I can pop off the tire and the inner tube there easily. So how I'm going to do it is I just simply press the tire down as much as I can to make room for the zip tie to slide in. And then on this side, the zip tie comes out through the back, as you can see right here. Allow me to show you. So this is what we're working with. Tire and zip tie, and then I'm going to go ahead and just put it through here, tighten this to the best of my ability here, and then I'm going to do that all the way around. As you see, it's starting to lift the tire there, so when I go ahead and I put the little forks in there, I can essentially, in theory, pop it off. So let's continue with the zip ties and I'll come back. So I've got the entire wheel zip tied up right here, and there's all the air out of it as well. I put one of these forks in there, and then I have another fork that I'm going to use to kind of push over to start getting the tire off of the rim. So the technique that I am using is I'm using double forks right here, and I'm pulling it out. And when I do that, I'll take this one in the back out, and then I'll pry it into this area right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and work that out little by little right here. Now I'm not too worried about pinching this tire or inner tube at all, so that's not really a problem for me here, as I will be putting new tires on here. So as you see, that's how I'm doing it, little by little, until I can just kind of take it off by hand. So if you're struggling, I would recommend trying out this technique right here, see if it works for you. We're just going to repeat this all the way through. That's how I go about removing my bike tires right there with the old zip tie method. Now, if you have any questions about anything that you may have saw or heard throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment below. I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have a TikTok and Instagram under the same name as this YouTube channel at E-Bike Journey. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.